ticket, thankfully. Man, these cops. Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to go service about 7 to 8 vending machine locations. Right after the holidays, right after Thanksgiving, all the students and all the teachers are back in school. Yeah, I had about a week off. Hopefully there's some money in the machines, and yeah, let's go. Alright, I got the first location in the GPS. The truck's all loaded up and ready to go. It's currently 9:39 in the morning, and yeah, we gotta wake up and get this money. For some reason, I don't know what exactly I was thinking, but last week before Thanksgiving break, I decided to just go and collect from only 2 machines, and I put it in the last video, and then I realized, what's the point? Because if I stock it up, no one's gonna buy anything. Yeah, I don't know what my thought process was there. I'm going back to those 2 machines today to actually fill them up because they need some product for sure, and there's probably not gonna be any money in them because I collected from it last week. But that aside, we should have about 7 other locations that have money in them and are ready to collect and fill up. If I see a Sam's Club, we'll stop at Sam's Club, but if not, I'll see you guys at the first location. Also, it's another really nice day out, perfect weather, the sun is shining, no complaints. It's always hard coming off a break, but I'm ready to get back and get back to making money. Hope everyone had a good Thanksgiving break, had time with their family, and is back into making money, hustling before Christmas time, because that's another long break. Just got to location number 1. Let's see how it does. Well, I'm just here to fill it up, actually. Just to see. Nada. Just got to location 2. Alright, I didn't really film in there. I tried to a little bit, but there was a cop. Like, I'm parked in a fire lane and no parking. I know I did it to myself, but it's right in front of the school and it's way easier to get in and fill up the machine. So I saw him and I ran in. That's the fastest I've ever filled up a vending machine. No ticket, thankfully. Man, these cops. Heading to location number 3 right now, and there should be money in this one. Alright, I didn't film in that location, but it did, I don't know, maybe $30 if I had to guess. I'll show you guys the money when I get home, but it is on to location number 4. to location 5 now. I don't get it. The train thing is closed, but there's no train. Oh wait, what is that thing? It's a little tomato. Alright, so I just got back home. I only went to 5 locations today.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Reason being is the other 2 locations were in another city, and I can run that route tomorrow. 5 locations today, only collected from 3. It was more of a refilling video, so that's what the title's going to be. I don't want to call it a collection video. I mean, I did collect from 3, but I don't know. I'll count up the money and I'll show you guys, but it's probably not going to be anything special, especially compared to like 2 videos ago where I pulled like 600 bucks, so we'll see. Alright, what is going on, guys? Home. This is actually the next day. I'm just going to count up the money and get you guys the totals off those 3 locations real quick, and yeah. Alright, location number 1 did $33.70 after about 2 weeks. Alright, location number 2 made $52 flat after 2 weeks. Alright, the last location made $30 flat, and that was 1 week collection. That was also the one with a big out of order sign on it, so now let me get you the total. Alright, so today we made $114 off 3 snack machine locations. Again, really slow, but up to 5 locations. I was really just trying to fill them up after Thanksgiving break, and yeah, I've got way bigger collections coming in the next videos, so make sure you guys have subscribed if you haven't already. Smash the like button if you haven't. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. I love you guys so much. Here's what the money looks like, and then I'll see you guys in the next one.